Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, April 25, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, April 25, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 25, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, April 25, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for April 25, 2026, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, April 25, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.